What are some effective ways to get rid of mosquitoes in my bedroom?
Hey there, welcome to this video where we'll discuss some effective ways to get rid of mosquitoes in your bedroom. Mosquitoes can be quite annoying, especially when they disrupt your sleep and leave itchy bites on your body. But worry not, because I'm here to share some tips and techniques that can help you reclaim your bedroom from these pesky insects.
Keep your bedroom clean and dry.
One of the first steps in mosquito control is maintaining a clean and dry environment in your bedroom. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water, so make sure there are no open containers, puddles, or waterlogged plants in your room. Empty and clean any vases, bowls, or pots regularly to eliminate potential breeding grounds.
Install window screens and seal entry points.
Mosquitoes often enter our bedrooms through open windows and doors. Installing window screens can provide an effective barrier, preventing them from entering while still allowing fresh air to circulate. Make sure the screens are in good condition and without any holes that mosquitoes can sneak through. Additionally, check for any gaps or cracks around windows and doors and seal them properly to further reduce mosquito entry points.
Use mosquito nets or bed canopies.
Mosquito nets or bed canopies are another great way to protect yourself from mosquito bites while you sleep. Choose a net with fine mesh that mosquitoes cannot penetrate. Hang it securely over your bed, ensuring that it covers all sides and tucks in properly. This creates a physical barrier that keeps mosquitoes away, allowing you to sleep peacefully.
Employ mosquito repellents.
Mosquito repellents can be an effective tool in keeping mosquitoes at bay. There are various options available, including sprays, lotions, creams, and electronic repellent devices. Look for products that contain ingredients like DEET, picaridin, or lemon eucalyptus oil, as these are known to repel mosquitoes effectively. Apply the repellent to exposed skin or clothing according to the product instructions, and consider using a plug-in mosquito repellent device in your bedroom for added protection.
Use fans and air conditioning.
Mosquitoes are weak flyers, so increasing air circulation in your bedroom can help deter them. Place a fan in your room or use air conditioning to create a breeze that makes it difficult for mosquitoes to fly. Mosquitoes are attracted to the carbon dioxide we exhale, so circulating air can disperse the CO2 and make it harder for them to locate you.
Avoid attracting mosquitoes.
Certain factors attract mosquitoes, and it's important to minimize them in your bedroom. Mosquitoes are drawn to standing water, body odor, strong fragrances, and dark clothing. Avoid having open containers of water in your room, take regular showers to reduce body odor, use unscented personal care products, and opt for light-colored clothing when possible. These simple changes can make your bedroom less appealing to mosquitoes. That wraps up our discussion on effective ways to get rid of mosquitoes in your bedroom. By keeping your bedroom clean and dry, installing window screens, using mosquito nets or bed canopies, employing mosquito repellents, increasing air circulation, and avoiding mosquito attractants, you can significantly reduce the presence of mosquitoes in your sleeping space. Remember, a good night's sleep without mosquito disturbances is just around the corner. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips have been helpful. Sleep tight and mosquito-free.